I will tell you a story. Friends met in a reunion of their college batch 12 years after their graduation. In the midst of fun, laughter, and reviving the old memories, they were enjoying their food, while others were having their plates full of tasty delicacies. Baldev was having only limited food in his plate. Everyone was shocked to see Baldev, who was a foodie back in his days, not eating his favorite desserts. Later, Baldev told them that he was diagnosed with diabetes 4 years ago. Many of them seemed puzzled. Of course, they didn't know much about diabetes. And remaining knew that their parents and grandparents were taking daily tablets to control their blood sugar. Anil said to Baldev,
अरे खा ले कुछ नहीं होता, बस गोली खाओ और कुछ भी खाओ.
"Do you think this is right? Can you take diabetes so casually?" Well, watch till end to find it out. Hi, I am Dr. Jyoti Shirodkar, practicing Ayurvedic physician for last 30 years and researcher in the field of Ayurveda for diabetes. Here at Bluemark, we attempt to bring the reality of all lifestyle disorders. In this video, we will explain what diabetes is and what happens to you when you become diabetic. When the food you eat is digested, sugars, proteins and other nutrients from your food are separated and they are absorbed in the blood from your intestines. Our muscles and other body organs need sugar to work. Sugar molecule in your blood is carried to muscles and various other organs by a vehicle called insulin. If this vehicle is not in place or not functioning properly, sugar can't reach the muscles or other organs. It gets built up in blood. And when you test your blood in the laboratory, the sugar is found to be higher than normal. Normally, fasting glucose is 100 mg per deciliter and 2 hours after meals is 140 mg per deciliter. If this limit is crossed, fasting is between 100 and 125 and post meal is between 140 to 200, the condition is called as pre-diabetes. Initially you may not have any symptom. That's great, right? If there are no symptoms, then goli khao or kuch bhi khao works. This is where everything goes for a toss. The effect of poor insulin action is in two ways. A. Tissues are deprived of sugar and you experience fatigue and weakness. On the other hand, sugar is built up in the blood. When you test if fasting blood sugar crosses the limit of 126 mg per deciliter and 2 hours after meal sugar is above 200 or random blood sugar crosses the limit of 250 mg per deciliter, this condition is called as diabetes mellitus or diabetes. And here starts the problem of plenty. Body tries to throw out that excess sugar in the blood through urine. So the person has to pee frequently and body has to drink lot of water to restore that water loss. Then he experiences one or more symptoms like increased thirst, dryness in the mouth or giddiness, weakness, loss of weight, burning in the feet or tingling, numbness, blurring of vision, giddiness and delayed wound healing. Let's understand what is type 1 and type 2 diabetes. If the vehicle insulin is totally missing, it has to be provided from outside through injections for lifelong. This is insulin dependent or type 1 diabetes. If insulin is there in the body but it is inefficient, its work can be managed partially by oral tablets. This is non-insulin dependent or type 2 diabetes. The story doesn't end with taking tablets or insulin injections. You have to take them regularly and for lifelong. In both the times, you have to follow dietary restrictions, observe meal timings, adjust drug doses, and at times experience the irritating symptoms of hypoglycemia when your blood sugar falls down below 70 milligrams per deciliter. Secondly, medicines gradually fail to achieve sugar targets. So you have to increase the dose of medicine or add another medicine to your current diabetes regime. As your diabetes grows older, it shows its effects on eyes, kidneys, nerves, blood vessels, and feet. This leads to impaired vision, coronary heart disease, erectile dysfunction, kidney failure, foot or leg amputation, and many other complications. Your immunity and vitality are also affected. A person with diabetes looks older by 10 years of his actual age. If he is in fertile age, he passes diabetes to his next generation. Coming back to Baldev's story, would you now say, "अरे कुछ नहीं होता, गोली खाओ और कुछ भी खाओ"? Still there is a twist in the story. Ayurveda, our very own ancient Indian medical science, has described the disease prameha, which is known as diabetes. Want to know more? Stay tuned for our next videos. And all the power to you to embark on your health journey.